I love this home. It's a very cozy, zen, creative space. One wonderful thing about it is Wonderland Elementary School. We have kids, so it really worked out for us to have an amazing public, one of the best in the country school, and it's a walking distance down the street. And one of my favorite bonuses here is I'm Italian, so I love to entertain and have big dinner parties and have people over, and we have so much space for party. Basically, we can eat outside, we can eat inside, and we just have this wonderful atmosphere, which is not quite Tuscany, but close.